realistic AI characters that can actually talk, argue, flirt, or tell a story together, then this tutorial is for you.
You're saying AI can actually make our own 3D stories now?
Not just stories, my brother, full cinematic videos. Wait till you see it.
Sam, life's been treating us too well. Look how far we have come. This kind of song.
Sometimes peace tastes better than company.
When I was your age, stories came from hearts.
But Grandma, can AI tell stories too?
Ada, from the moment I met you, my world found its rhythm.
Yes, I will marry you.
Did you just see that? Multiple AI avatars talking to each other in the same scene with perfect lip sync? Yeah, this is real. And today, I'll show you exactly how I made it happen, using only free AI tools.
All right, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create multiple AI avatars that interact with each other, featuring realistic lip sync and emotion. I'll be showing you how to use 3 powerful tools. ChatGPT, to write your dialogue and structure it like a movie scene. Google AI Studio, to generate your character images. Grok AI, to bring those images to life with a realistic voice and facial motion. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create short AI dialogue scenes that feel alive and natural, perfect for tutorials, storytelling, or even full cinematic projects. Step 1. Generate your avatar images. We're heading over to Google AI Studio. Once you're on the dashboard, log in with your Google account and you'll see a few model options like Nano Banana, Image 4, or Image 4 Ultra. For this tutorial, I'll use Image 4. It's fast and gives great quality. Next, let's set up our layout. 16.9 if you're creating YouTube videos, 9.16 if you're making shorts or TikToks. I'll stick with 16.9 for this example. Now let's create our first avatar. In the prompt box, type something like this. Generate an image of a young, beautiful Nigerian girl in her 20s, sitting down in a luxury restaurant having a drink. Hit run, and in a few seconds, your images appear. Look at that! Beautiful result! If you like one, then you hit download. Save it to your device. Now let's create another one for a conversation scene. Here's the new prompt. Generate an image of 2 handsome Nigerian men relaxing in a bar, having a drink. One dressed in corporate attire while the other is dressed casually yet luxuriously. Click run, wait a few seconds, and boom, your multi-character image is ready. If one doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Just tweak the prompt a bit. Describe lighting, emotion, or environment until you get something cinematic. But I think I'm okay with this one. So you click download. Step 2. Bring your avatars to life with Grok AI. Now that we have our images, let's make them talk. Head over to the Grok AI app. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free from the Play Store. Just search Grok AI. Once you log in, you'll see some sample generations. Ignore those for now. We're going to upload our own images. Select your first image, the single avatar, and let's test it out with a short dialogue. Note: immediately you drop the image, Grok generates the video by itself. We will wait for it to finish before we give it instructions on our own video on what to do. In the text box, type something simple like, "Sometimes peace tastes better than company." Make sure to wrap your sentence in quotation marks. This tells Grok exactly what the avatar should say. Hit generate and give it a few seconds. You'll see it processing, then boom, your avatar is talking.
Peace tastes better than company.
With natural lip movements. Let's play it back.
Sometimes peace tastes better than company. Sometimes peace tastes better than company.
Perfect. That's your single character scene done. Step 3. Multiple characters talking in the same scene. To do this, you'll need 2 character images and a short script written like a dialogue. Here's an example of mine. Guy 1, smiling. Bro, life's been treating us too well. Look how far we've come. Guy 2, serious, emotional. For real, from late nights and no cash to this kind of soft life. You can even add emotional or action cues inside brackets, like shouting or smiling, to help Grok generate better expressions. Pro tip: Grok AI works best when each scene is around 6 seconds, so time your dialogue accordingly. Once your script is ready, copy it and paste it into Grok. 2 stylish African men in their early 30s sit at a cozy, luxurious bar glowing with warm amber lights. The background hums softly with jazz and chatter. Both men have drinks in hand, radiating joy and success. Now hit generate, and there it is.
Treating us too well. Look how far we've come. For real. From late nights and no cash to this kind of soft life. Life's been treating us too well. Look how far we've come. For real. From late nights and no cash to this kind of soft life.
Our two AI avatars are talking naturally, with realistic lip motion and emotion. Let's play it back.
Look how far we've come. For real. From late nights and no cash to this kind of soft life. Life's been treating us too well. Look how far we've come. For real. From late nights and no cash to this kind of soft life. Life's been...
That's it. Beautifully synced and expressive. Final tip. All right, that's how you can make multiple AI avatars talk with realistic lip sync using ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, and Grok AI. Remember, AI generation isn't always perfect the first time. Sometimes you'll need to tweak your prompt, regenerate, or adjust the emotions to get the best result. Keep experimenting. Your creativity is the real secret weapon here. If this video helped you, please smash that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what kind of AI tutorial you want next. Was it helpful? Want me to show you how to make your avatars interact in motion next time? Drop your thoughts below.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.